How to sign up for your Hugging Face account. First thing first, head over to your preferred web browser. Once you're in this page, in the search bar, you have to search for Hugging Face. Head over to the very first site. It will be landing you on the official site of Hugging Face. Once you're in this page, in order to sign up for your account, what you want to do is tap on sign up over here at the top right corner. It will be landing you on this page. Now what you want to do is you have to enter your active email address. Now create a password for your account. Once you have created, tap on next. Now you need to fill up some of the information, as in your username, your full name, avatar, Twitter username, and many more. This way you can generate your avatar. Once you finish entering all the information, tap on create account at the bottom. Wait for a while for it to load. And there you go, your Hugging Face account has been created successfully. So that's the end of the video. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.